Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Stripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, January 14th, 2020. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing, put your hand over your heart, and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now, please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. Celebrating a birthday today is Miss Danya in 4th grade. Happy birthday, and make sure you pop by my office tomorrow to get your birthday gift. Today we're focusing in on Rattlers being responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Again, we're focusing on transitions, making sure they're swift and quiet and orderly, especially when we are doing testing in Mr. Prevy's room. Vocabulary word of the day is clump. A small cluster or a lump of mass, a heavy thumping step or sound, or to form a mass. Example of this would be, we planted a clump of tulips near the fence. Synonyms are a bunch and a join. Some announcements. Today is Tuesday. You're actually going to go to your homeroom for academic block. So you're going to your homeroom for academic block. And now take some time to look at your uniform. Yesterday I was in kindergarten looking at their uniforms, and they all have their shirts tucked in. They have black belts, they have the right shoes, the right pants, and the right jackets. So take this time and take off your non-idea jackets. The only jacket that you should be wearing is the one in this picture, or the thicker ones, but they are bought by idea. All right, some focusing in on today. We have some math exams coming up, and then on Thursday, some of your parents will be invited to a parent meeting. Not everyone, but if your parents are invited, make sure you remind them that after school on Thursday they are coming to see your teachers. Alrighty, today it will be pretty warm and sunny, so we'll definitely have outdoor recess today. We did not hit ADA yesterday again. You guys, this is getting pretty bad. We really need to step it up. So make sure that you are on time, you are dressed appropriately for the weather, and that you're staying healthy by eating well and making sure you get enough rest. Make sure that tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, you are dressing appropriately for the rain. Our health fact of the day is, did you know humans can cough at a 60 miles an hour and sneeze at like 100 miles an hour? Isn't that crazy? So the little slobber that's coming out of your mouth is maybe going 100 miles an hour. Crazy, crazy. Talk about germs spreading. So make sure you're putting your coughing or sneezing into your arm to stop those 60 miles or 100 mile an hour germs from flying around. All right, today let's focus in on the fact that if we are here all week, that we make sure that our attendance raffle this Friday. And we did the snow party last Friday, but we have a lot of other fun things as long as you're here every single day. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready? And Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday, and remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you, and we always will. Let's get through this week. We have a 3-day weekend waiting at the end of it. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students that are out and message the ADA GroupMe. Have a great day.